The heroin and opiate epidemic here in Western New York is an ongoing crisis, but now there is new hope for those struggling with addiction. It's been a long time in the making. After months of delays, Erie County's addiction hotline is finally ready to start accepting calls tomorrow morning. It's all part of an effort to help people in Western New York struggling with opiate addiction. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Josh Bazan is live for us with the story in the newsroom. Josh?
Well, Hannah, this new hotline is dedicated solely to addressing the growing issue of opiate addiction right here in Western New York. So starting at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, Erie County residents can call 831-7007 to access a trained counselor who can provide referral information and support for those battling drug addiction. The 24/7 hotline comes at a time when many communities in Western New York are seeing spikes in heroin and opiate addiction. According to the county health department, at least 131 people have died in Erie County from opiate overdoses this year alone. The line is going to be operated by counselors from Crisis Services, a group that's run other emergency hotlines in the area for decades.
And they will get a live counselor who will ask them what their current situation is. If it's a client, what do they hope to gain from calling out and reaching out for assistance. We will then link them with different resources in the community, outpatient addiction services, as well as just giving them support and different information that they will need in the community.
Now, Crisis Services has seen a huge increase this year in calls for help dealing with heroin and opiate addiction. With a dedicated phone line and operators trained to handle these specific problems, the Erie County Health Department hopes this can cut back on drug addiction. Now, Crisis Services will have 2 to 3 trained counselors ready to take calls 24/7. 7 days a week. Again, this hotline officially starts taking calls tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. For now, live in the newsroom, Josh Bazan, 7 Eyewitness News.